guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be reviewing the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Primrose palette. Beautiful palette that has eyeshadows and then these two blushes right here. Super pretty palette. You can see this is the look I came up with. I wanted to talk to you about a couple of new face products, skincare products. You guys have been loving when I do this, and I have more products from Saturday Skin. The first product is the Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. This buttery eye cream will melt into your skin with an infusion of the yuzu fruit, which delivers 3 times the vitamin C than any other citrus, combined with targeted ingredients such as the active vital complex and niacinamide. It will help improve moisture retention, hydrate, and blur the appearance of fine lines around the delicate eye area to reveal smoother and brighter looking eyes. The next product is the Carrot plus Niacinamide Moisturizing Cream. This ultra moisturizing cream is packed with superfood extracts from carrots combined with ceramides and lipids that help to protect your skin's appearance from drying, environmental, and digital exposure. Think blue light glasses for your skin. 3 extracts from the carrot help with the look of skin's tone and texture. Niacinamide works to improve skin's moisture barrier. Hello.
What if I was dead? You send me a voicemail.
Oh, I am filming.
I could have been dead in a ditch. My last breath was to call and say goodbye, and you sent me a voicemail.
Called to say goodbye, huh?
Yeah. What are you doing?
I said I'm filming. The next product is Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. Now, I talked about this in my last video where I talked about Saturday Skin, and I am obsessed with this exfoliant. It gently cleanses skin and improves dullness with natural fruit enzymes from pineapple and papaya. Natural cellulose derived from birch trees lifts and removes impurities with aloe extracts, soothes the skin. Your 1-minute facial. I am really impressed by Saturday Skin's skincare line. I have so enjoyed using their products. I still use all the products that I featured in the last video with like the overnight kind of mask moisturizer. The Rub-A-Dub is one of my absolute favorites, and I have really been enjoying this facial cream and the eye cream. I've been using these more at nighttime. Is everything on those products? So let's go ahead and jump on into the tutorial. Whoosh. First things first is I'm gonna grab the Nimya License to Glow Serum. And just work that in, because I want this to have a minute to soak into my skin while I do my eye makeup. And I'm gonna grab the Where It All Starts cream. Put a dot right there, a dot right there, and a dot right there. Left over on the chin. There really wasn't any. And work that in. Grabbing the Jouer Cosmetics Clean Canvas. I'm just gonna prime my eyes with this. Get it on the eye boos. So it's the week of Black Friday, and I did something. I bought all the eye brushes. Focus on the brushes, not on me. There we go. I bought all the eye brushes from Refer Beauty. They had such a good deal going on these, so I was like, I couldn't resist it. All of my brushes are by Morphe, and it was just, I don't know. They're great brushes, don't get me wrong. I've used them for years, and I just kind of want to like more adult, like step into some better brushes. And everybody raves about the Refer brushes. They were at such a good price. I just had to jump on it. Going to, as always, grab my little single shadow from Viseart. I don't even know, I've always called it Viseart. It's the 104 Ivory, and I just place it on the inner corner to give it nice brightness right there, and then build it up under the brow. First, I'm gonna grab this color right here called Rouge, and then I'm going to grab this one that I guess it's technically a blush. The color is Saddle. I'm just gonna mix those, and I'm gonna grab the Refer 27 brush, and I'm gonna start taking that and tapping it down as my transition shade. Brush is super soft. Like, these literally just came in the mail today. You are quite literally getting my first initial impression. So, I'll let you know if they are worth the money. Maybe by the time you watch this, the sale will still be going on. I'm gonna grab the Refer 15 brush. I'm gonna grab Claret and then maybe a touch of Primrose. And I'm just going to start deepening that crease and socket and blowing that out. Ooh, give it some really pretty dimension. I'm gonna go back on the Refer 27 brush and grab a little bit of grapefruit and just hit the very top of that transition shade. I'm grabbing this Refer 12 brush. It's like a large soft dome brush. I'm gonna grab the color Deep Berry, and I'm just going to start building up the outer V area. I actually want this to be quite bright, so I'm gonna grab the Beauty Creations Color Base Primer in the color Whiteout, and I'm gonna take that on the Refer 21 brush. It's a concealer brush, and I'm just gonna take this and carve a crease and then blend this onto the lid. I'm gonna grab the Refer 02 brush. I'm going to grab Sparkling Amber here. This is a very loose shade. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it right on the inner corner. Oh, it's almost more golden than I thought it was gonna be. On the same brush, I'm gonna grab the lightest shimmer called Rosewater. And I'm gonna take that mainly here onto the center, blend it into the Sparkling Amber shade. I love playing with different shimmers and like layering them in certain ways on my lid because it gives it a little more dimension. Like as you move and you blink, it's like, oh, I see like little specks of all these different shimmer colors, and I think it's so beautiful. And then next, I'm gonna grab this light pink color called Peony. Taking that on the same 02 brush and blending that into the purple. Kind of want a little more pop, so I'm taking my Fix Plus, going back in with Rosewater here, and I'm gonna take that just right on top of where I placed it. I just want it to have more of that foiled effect just right there. I'm gonna take the Refer 23 brush, and I'm gonna grab Primrose, and I'm gonna take that just right on top of that cut crease, just to add some more pigment on top of that line to make it pop even more. I want this to stay a little more on the softer side, so I'm gonna grab my NYX Epic Ink Liner in the color Brown. Just gonna take this old stiff little kabuki brush, put some makeup remover on it, clean that up. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I saw a lot of people talking about fallout, especially with the shimmer shades. I mean, I see a teeny tiny bit, but like honestly, not a ton. Oh, my skin feels really good from that Nimya too. I feel like there could be more fallout compared to what I was seeing everybody else review with this palette, so I'm pleasantly surprised. Now, this palette doesn't have a dark brown, so I'm just taking a dark brown matte and going on top of that liner. I am going to apply my lashes and my face makeup, and I will be right back. Lady! The whole time I did my face makeup. silent. Silent. The second I turn the camera back on. Lady! Okay, so now that my face and my base is on, we're gonna go back into the palette here. I'm going to grab a mixture of Primrose and Claret Rephr 03 brush. And I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna go right on the lower lash line. And I'm trying to first tap down and then go back and forth. Now I want to blow it out just a little bit. I'm going to take a little bit of the blush shade Grapefruit. And this is the Rephr 14 brush. I should show you that. And I'm going to take it and blow out the bottom. Everybody raves about this Rephr brush. It's the Rephr 29. It's like a little itty bitty detail brush. And I'm going to go in with Deep Berry. And I'm going to smoke out that lower lash line even more. Ooh, I've never used a detail brush this little. And I am able to get like right up in the lash line. I really like that. I'm not gonna lie. I am gonna take my Nabla Magic Pencil in the color Light Nude. I'm gonna line my waterline with this. I feel like I tint my brows almost every single time before I film. And it's like they're so intense right when I first tint them, but like the day on and after, they're like beautiful. So I have, oh, I should tell you what lashes I'm wearing too. I'm wearing they're the brand Beauty Creations. They're the 3D Foam Mink in the color, wow, the style Confidential. And they are some of my favorite like all out glam lashes. They're just beautiful. I'm gonna take the ABH, it's the Pink Dahlia Stick Blush, and I'm going to put that right on the tops of the cheeks right here. Usually I do this before I finish my powders, but what the hey. And I'm just gonna take the brush on the other side and blend that out. I've really been enjoying that color. And then for the blush, I'm of course gonna try the blush within the palette. I don't think this one's gonna flex with what I'm doing today, so we're gonna go into Grapefruit. And I'm gonna take my JH07, but this will suffice. I'm just gonna lay that right on top of that cream blush. It's a very soft pink color, which I think complements this look so beautifully. I always just take this little poof with the leftover of whatever powder I used on my under eye and just kind of blend it right over the blush to like marry it together. Now I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna grab the Nimya Set It and Forget It setting spray. And I'm just taking the butt of the blender and going over my face with this. I'm gonna apply my lower mascara. Always do it after I set my face so that the mascara doesn't get wet and transfer onto my under eye area. That's the method to my madness. I'm gonna do my lips real quick. I'm gonna grab my Lawless pencil in Honey Rose. I'm gonna go in with a different lipstick, and that is going to be the Christian Dior. It is in the color 220 Beige Couture. Trying to branch out from my Lawless, but I'm gonna be honest, I've been using this all week and my lips are pretty dang dry this week. And that never happens with my Lawless products. Just saying. This lipstick is beautiful though. It's like a soft powder finish. And I do want to add a little bit of highlight. I do kind of want like a bright, soft highlight look, I guess you could say. I'm gonna take the Jaclyn. This was the Flash palette, which she doesn't make anymore, but you can buy these individually. And then I'm gonna take the lightest color, and this is an E36 brush, a Morphe. And I'm gonna put this right onto the inner corner, right on top of that tear duct. Kind of in a C shape. And then a little at the peak of the brow here. A little on the tip of the nose. And then down the center of the bridge of the nose. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this look. Hope you enjoyed that look using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Primrose palette. And of course, some of you use the Nimya products. Again, I wanted to show you just another time with them. I am really enjoying them. I'm just not so used to like the full dewy look, but like it does get so sticky and hold on to your foundation beautifully. I hope that you guys have a wonderful start to your holiday season. We're gonna switch out the Barbies, the holiday Barbies here behind me, like probably tomorrow. That's my goal. Do it tomorrow morning, get it done. It's Thanksgiving weekend. Those will be up here soon. I have my little advent calendar from Rituals right here behind me. It's just so dang cute, and you can see the lights are on. So I just wanted to be a little festive here, and then we'll hit Christmas next time. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a big ol' thumbs up. Leave any comments, requests, questions, anything down below. I'd love to talk to you guys. And subscribe, hit the notification bell right there. Join the Allie Ann clan, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Been feeling selfish, I never want you to